Are you looking for a luxury sedan that stands out from the crowd with some surprising quirks? Today, we're diving into one of the most unique cars in the luxury market. The 2025 Volvo S90. From its spacious interior to its unusual features, let's find out what makes this upscale sedan so distinctive. If you enjoy staying up to date on the latest car insights, make sure to subscribe to Car Release TV, hit that like button, and share with friends who love luxury cars as much as you do. Let's grow this community of car enthusiasts together. Welcome back to Car Release TV. Today, we're shining the spotlight on the Volvo S90, a luxury sedan that's as unique as it is elegant. What sets the S90 apart? For starters, this sedan offers rear seat space comparable to full-size models, yet it's priced closer to mid-size competitors. That spaciousness makes it a comfortable ride for both driver and passengers. The Volvo S90 also stands out with its powertrain options. It comes standard with a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, paired with a 48-volt hybrid system in the B6 model. For those who want a bit more power, there's the T8 plug-in hybrid setup, which adds a significant boost in performance. However, the S90 isn't without its quirks. Unlike some of its rivals, the S90's platform has aged a bit, which can make it feel less refined on the road. But don't let that fool you. Its interior remains fresh and stylish, and the exterior still boasts that sleek, Scandinavian design Volvo is known for. So, is the Volvo S90 worth it? If you're looking for a luxury sedan with a spacious interior, distinctive design, and a touch of Swedish charm, the S90 might just be the perfect fit. Car Release TV, bringing you the latest in luxury car insights and reviews. Let me know if you'd like any more additions or tweaks.